Welcome to Elevate Careers Semiconductor Manufacturing. Mount Hood Community College and Work Systems, together with our industry partners, are excited to offer a 2-week intensive workshop introducing the semiconductor industry.
This introductory course is designed for individuals new to semiconductors, those with no prior experience. It offers a valuable opportunity for motivated learners interested in semiconductor manufacturing and exploring a potential career in the field.
Upon completion, participants will earn a stipend, 1 college credit, and be eligible to interview with local semiconductor companies.
These positions do have specialized physical demands, including lifting up to 25 pounds regularly, walking 3 to 5 miles per shift, standing or sitting for up to 9 hours per shift, working 12-hour shifts, day or night, on a compressed 4-day work week, wearing a clean room suit or bunny suit for multiple hours.
This training will take place at Mount Hood Community College on the Gresham campus.
Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you soon.